Hey, it's Nicholas Core with Keller Williams First Atlanta, and today I want to quickly walk you through how to create and set up your DocuSign account through KW Command. From the Command home screen, you'll go up to the top right-hand corner of the screen where you see your name and click on the drop-down menu here and select Settings. This will take you to the general settings of Command, which will show you all of your integrated apps. We'll scroll down to DocuSign, and you can see here for me it says connect account, and that lets me know that I have not created an account just yet. But before we do that, there's a couple things to keep in mind. When you are creating this account through Command, you cannot use an email address that's already affiliated with a DocuSign account. So if you have a paid DocuSign account or created a free account previously using the business email address you want to use, you need to reach out to DocuSign and have them unassociate that email address so that way you can use it to create your KW account. Now I'm going to click on Connect Account, and this will give me the opportunity to sign up and create my account. So just put your first name in here, last name in here, and I'm going to use my personal email address for today's example, but I would recommend that you use your KW account. Or if you have a business email address that you want to use, you can use that as well. So once you put in your name, first name, last name, click on Send Registration Email. Now this will send an email to my personal email that I will click in and allow me to activate the account. So it's giving me the notification to check my email to complete the DocuSign account creation and then authorize. So I'll click into my email and I'll see here, DocuSign via DocuSign, you've been invited to join DocuSign rooms. Keller Williams Realty invites you to join their account. I'm going to click on Accept Invite. This will take me to DocuSign where I can create a password and a security question. So password, so I'm going to create a password. Type in a password, make sure it's secure. And then security question. And then activate. So now this will take me into a field, a screen where I can click on Accept Agreement. And now I have created my DocuSign account. I'm going to click on Authorize, and this will take me back into Command where I can click on Authorize here on the right-hand side, and a window will pop up for me to log into my newly created DocuSign account. I'm going to click Login, click Accept, and now my DocuSign is ready and good to go. You will know that your DocuSign account is officially connected when it says Disconnect Account over here on the right-hand side. That's all it takes to create your DocuSign account. Let me know what questions you have, and I am always here to help you with any of your tech questions.